Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to look at some attributes of the shapes that you have in your envelope. So go ahead right now and find cards A and K. Go ahead and find cards A and K. Pause the video and take some time to do that. How would you describe card A? How would you describe shape A? How many sides does it have? 3. How many vertices does it have? Vertices are the points on the shape. 3, you're correct. How many angles does shape A have? If you said 3, you are correct. Remember, an angle is the inside part of the corner. What is shape A called? If you said triangle, you are correct. Great job. Now let's look at shape K. Shape K, how many sides does shape K have? 4. Good. How many vertices does shape K have? If you said 4, you are correct. And how many angles does shape K have? 4 again. What do we call shape K? We call it a rectangle. Now, looking back at shape A, I want you to think about if shape A has any parallel sides. Keep in mind what parallel means. Parallel sides are opposite sides that are a distance apart, and if you extended them, the sides would never touch. When I think about parallel sides, I often think about railroad tracks. I think about a ladder that you might use to climb something pretty high up. So those are some things that I think about when I think about parallel lines. So, does shape A have any parallel lines? It does not. If we tried to extend the sides of shape A, the sides would run into each other or cross. So that means that shape A has no parallel lines at all. Look at shape K. Does it have any parallel lines? Yes, it does. The short line on top and the short line on the bottom are parallel. Remember, parallel, we look at opposite sides. The side on the left and the side on the right, those two are parallel lines. Look around your classroom. Do you see anything in your classroom that looks like parallel lines or parallel sides? Take some time to pause the video and talk about that with your teacher. Now that we've talked about some attributes of 2 of your cards, what we're going to do now is we are going to turn in the back of our math journal and we're going to find activity sheet number 13. There you will see at the top of the page, it says Shape Capture Attribute Cards. What I'd like you to do is I would like you to cut those cards out and put them in a pile between you and another person. You also need to have all of your shapes that you cut out before. My class has their shapes in a green envelope so they can find it easily in their box. So if you have not cut those shapes out, you'll need to cut those shapes out as well as these attribute cards to play the game. The game we're going to play is called Shape Capture. So what you're going to do is you and a partner are going to lay your shapes out on the floor. And you're going to put your pile of attribute cards in the middle between you. You're going to turn over one of the attribute cards. If you see any shapes with that attribute, then you can capture it. So when all of the shapes are gone, the game ends. Count how many shapes you have, and that's the winner, whoever has the most. Have fun playing this game. Keep it simple. Look for shapes that fit those attributes. You're going to have so much fun. When you and a partner are done playing the game, you may go ahead and look at page 196 and complete those math boxes. If your teacher chooses to not let you play with a partner, you can play this game on your own as well. So lay your cards out into a pile, lay all of your shapes down in front of you, When you pick up an attribute card, see which shapes fit those attributes. Have fun, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.